Today we're gonna be making a poached chicken breast, and it goes with this rice that I call confetti rice, but it's really just sushi rice that's mixed with all sorts of things. It's actually super simple with only a few ingredients, and you get this kind of super tender, moist, I hate that word, chicken, and then this incredible like spicy, garlicky broth to go with it. So first I'm using bone-in, skin-on chicken breast. It's gonna take a little bit longer, but you're gonna have a more flavorful broth because of it. And then we're gonna fill it up with about 5 cups of cold water. We have scallions, so I'm just gonna trim them up right over here. Kind of coarsely chop. Throw that in there. The chili we're just gonna split in half. We're just gonna expose the seeds, the veins. This is a red Fresno. You could use Thai chilies, jalapenos, kind of whatever fresh chili you like. We're using 1 tablespoon of tamari, some salt. Start with about 2 teaspoons. Garlic, I'm just gonna give it a light crush. It's gonna become really tender as it cooks. And toss that in. You don't want this to get to a rapid boil. You just want it to get to a simmer and then kind of leave it 18 to 25 minutes, depending how big your chicken breasts are, until it's cooked through. Next, we're gonna be cooking the rice. I'm using short grain sushi rice, and we're gonna rinse it to get rid of excess starch. You're just gonna rinse it until the water underneath is not so cloudy and is pretty clear. We're gonna add that. We're gonna add a pinch of salt. Don't even. Set this over a medium-high heat, bring it to a boil, and then as soon as it comes to a boil, reduce it to medium-low, cover it, and let it cook for about 18 to 22 minutes until the rice is cooked through and tender. We have our scallion grains. Let's chop them up. We're gonna fold this into the rice. You're basically making seasoned rice. We have a medium cucumber, and we're gonna slice this down. I'm leaving these pretty thin. We are going to take 1/4 cup of ginger, and we're just gonna give it a rough chop. You kind of want like the ginger and the scallions to be bitsy. So our rice is cooked and the chicken is done, so we're just gonna remove it. We're gonna let that cool, and I'm just gonna get rid of the solids, the scallions, the chili. So we have cooked rice. First off, we're gonna add the scallions, the cucumber, and then we're gonna add the ginger. It already looks pretty. This is the pickled ginger juice that you get from a jar. That's 1 tablespoon, and we're adding black sesame seeds. And then we're gonna give that a little toss. You could add nori to this. You could not put nori in it. It doesn't matter. We're all gonna die. So we have our rice here. We have our chicken cooked. We're gonna remove it from the bone. I don't mind the skin. I'll probably chew on it later, off camera. And then I'm just going to remove the breast off the bone. It looks perfectly cooked. So we're gonna take a spoonful of the rice, a few slices of chicken, or as much or as little as you want. Spoon some of the broth. It's really super easy, and it's great for a cold winter day. Very healthy. You can make it any night of the week for yourself or anybody else that you care for.